Hello, this is some progress with my Royal HE, the electric twin chime machine. And when I turned it on earlier, initially, it just made a funny noise, nothing happened. So it turned out that all the keys under the machine, there were all these little levers that hook to the shaft, the fluted shaft, were stuck there. So I moved them out, unstuck them, and now I have progress. I can turn it on and I can even press some keys. Now, one problem I had was that the carriage didn't move. And I was wondering if the mainspring had broken, but that's not the case. The problem was that right here, there was probably something really stuck. And so I used some of this, some coil, to loosen this area right here. There's what I think is a centrifugal brake for the tabulator. And this I think is the carriage return brake. It's probably a pneumatic brake. And anyway, this thing was not moving at all, so the spring couldn't pull, the drum couldn't rotate. So now it's rotating, so I can actually type some keys, and it's typing. It's not finished yet, however, because, well, first of all, the switch doesn't stay up, which is one interesting problem. And there's one tie bar here which is really stuck. And also we'll have to figure out the carriage return, which right now doesn't work at all. It's not even depressing, so I have to figure out what's the deal. All right, so that's a little progress, but I'm pretty happy with that.